Hi, I'm Alex from Stream, and today I'm in our showroom to demonstrate how to use the double roller door screen. In our example, we have reveal fitted the screen. This fitting method allows you to fit the screen at any position within the door recess to avoid obstructions. Alternatively, you can face fit the screen to the framework around your door opening. The framework of the roller screen is made from powder coated aluminium, and the door option is designed to pull horizontally for ease of opening and closing. Handles on both sides of the screen allow you to operate from both inside the property and out. The mesh is contained within the cassettes that run down both sides of the screen. To the top and bottom, you have a guide containing a brush pile front and back. The mesh runs in between this to give you a full seal. The depth, top to bottom of the guide to the top, is 40mm. For the guide to the bottom, you have a choice of 40 or 22mm. The size you choose will depend on the height of your threshold, as you don't want to create a trip hazard. There are locking catches to one of the leaves, and on both leaves there are opposing magnetic strips to hold the screen closed. On the master leaf, you can also select a reinforced handlebar as we have here, rather than the standard D handles. This is particularly helpful if your screen is wide to provide additional strength. To use the screen, open your doors and then close your screen by pulling the handlebar on the first leaf across to the middle. Line up the top and bottom locking catches with the keeps and slide them up and down into each one respectively. Now pull the master leaf across to meet the first. Wheels to the top and bottom of the handlebar assist the mesh along the guides. The magnetic strips hold it closed. To enter and exit your door, open the master leaf. To open the screen, break the magnetic seal by pushing with your thumb on the opposing handlebar and pulling the handle towards you. Then allow the screen to retract back under its own steam. Don't be tempted to push it back to the cassette. I hope you found this video helpful. There's plenty more information on the product page of our website, but if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We are more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.